Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's tap on the video one. We will check whether the resolution is right here, and it is. We have to take a look at this option bar, and in this position of the device you will find the resolution on the second position from the bottom. So right here, after tapping on it, we can choose from 4 different options: 480p, 720, 1080 and 2K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 2K. As you can see, the icon will change, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.